Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on optimizing state management in large-scale applications using Redux Toolkit and TypeScript. In today's technology-driven world, building scalable, maintainable applications is crucial, especially when managing complex state. Redux Toolkit, combined with TypeScript, provides a powerful solution that enhances both performance and developer experience. In this session, we'll explore why state management is vital, how Redux Toolkit simplifies Redux logic, and how TypeScript adds type safety to your applications. Whether you're developing e-commerce platforms, social media applications, or enterprise software, mastering these tools can significantly impact your application's success. Let's dive into the theory behind optimizing state management. Redux Toolkit is the official, recommended approach for writing Redux logic. It simplifies the setup by reducing boilerplate code, providing utilities like createSlice, configureStore, and createAsyncThunk to handle different aspects of Redux. By using createSlice, developers can define reducers and actions together, making the code more concise and easier to maintain. On the other hand, TypeScript introduces static typing to JavaScript, catching errors at compile time, enhancing code readability, and boosting developer productivity. Type safety in Redux ensures that your state, actions, and reducers are well typed, reducing runtime errors and improving application robustness. These tools help maintain the core principles of Redux: immutability and unidirectional data flow, ensuring a predictable state container. Redux Toolkit's helper functions further enforce these principles, resulting in efficient and readable code. In real-world applications like e-commerce platforms, Redux Toolkit and TypeScript handle complex state management needs, such as user sessions and inventory management, efficiently. Social media applications, which require real-time updates and efficient state handling, also benefit greatly from these tools. Moreover, enterprise software solutions with extensive business logic leverage the structured and type-safe environment provided by Redux Toolkit and TypeScript. However, these advantages come with challenges. The learning curve can be steep for developers new to Redux and TypeScript. While Redux Toolkit reduces boilerplate, some developers might still find Redux's pattern verbose compared to other solutions. Additionally, scaling in very large applications requires careful architectural planning, despite the simplifications provided by Redux Toolkit. Nevertheless, the modern relevance of these tools cannot be overstated. Redux Toolkit enjoys wide adoption in the industry, supported by a strong community. It integrates seamlessly with popular frameworks like React, ensuring compatibility with modern development practices. Features like memoization and lazy loading of slices help optimize performance, which is crucial for large-scale applications where efficiency is paramount. To illustrate how Redux Toolkit and TypeScript can be used to optimize state management, let's look at a practical code example. We'll focus on a counter application where Redux Toolkit and TypeScript work together to manage the state efficiently. In this example, we'll examine the counterslice.es file, which is central to our application's state management. The counterslice.ts file demonstrates how to define actions and reducers using createSlice, simplifying the process and reducing boilerplate. This file also showcases how TypeScript's type safety is applied to ensure that state and actions are well typed, enhancing the application's robustness. Next, let's see our application in action. Imagine visiting the application on a web browser. As you interact with it, the application first presents a counter display. Initially, the counter value is set at 0. You see two buttons, one to increment and another to decrement the counter. Clicking the increment button increases the counter value by 1, and you can see the updated value displayed immediately. Similarly, clicking the decrement button reduces the counter value by 1, with the change reflected instantaneously on the screen. This real-time interaction demonstrates the efficiency of Redux Toolkit in managing state changes smoothly and effectively. The seamless updates highlight how Redux Toolkit and TypeScript work together to provide a responsive and type-safe state management solution. As we wrap up this tutorial, let's reflect on the key points we've covered. Optimizing state management in large-scale applications using Redux Toolkit and TypeScript combines efficiency, maintainability, and type safety. By leveraging Redux Toolkit, we simplify Redux logic and reduce boilerplate, while TypeScript ensures that our state management is type-safe and robust. These tools are particularly beneficial in real-world scenarios like e-commerce, social media, and enterprise applications, where managing complex state is crucial. Although there are challenges, such as the learning curve and scalability considerations, the benefits of using Redux Toolkit and TypeScript in modern application development are substantial. I encourage you to explore these tools further, experiment with them in your projects, and observe how they enhance your application's performance and developer experience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy coding.